have to apologize. I shot this video, oh, little over a week ago. And there's another one coming. I apologize. There was something wrong with the loading. I could not get videos to load to YouTube. I've got it fixed now. So this video did not go to Patreon up front. Neither will the next one, because it's been so long. This will be a rarity where it's just going to post directly public, because it's just, I don't know what was going on, but it looks like this is working this time. I did a test video, loaded it, and brought it back. So basically, I apologize, it's been so long, but let's roll into the key bar flipper, the KB flipper, that video that I shot a week ago. And then there's gonna be a video, like I said, that I shot a little after that about the Buccaneer. So, all right, guys, take it easy. Enjoy the video. Well, hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, I know I don't have a hat on, but it's a little bit warm and I don't feel like putting one on. So today we are talking about, you already saw that. I don't even know why I worry about what we're gonna talk about. We're talking about the KB flipper, or the key bar flipper. So this, for those of you guys who don't know, this is a key bar. So what a key bar is, it's just a device where you can put your keys in and you pinch them between two pivots, and you can throw it in your pocket and have all your keys inside one of these. Now, I don't personally, whew, the water's cold, deep too. I'm not personally a guy that would carry a key bar. I don't like having something this big and bulky in my pocket. That's why a lot of times, there's times where I don't carry my Swiss Army knife, because it's thick and it's bulky and things like that. But what it is, and I had a screwdriver. Give me a second. Magic of editing. I'm back. So all you need is, and I don't have any keys in this because I don't have the longer screws that you need. So basically, inside of this, we'll go ahead and we'll pull this out. Inside of this is a knife inside this key bar. Now this is something that Andy over at NowPack, I'm not sure if it was his idea or how it came about. Basically, there's been knives that you put inside a key bar. They've been out before. I mean, it's not a new thing, but there's never been a quality flipper. There's always been like something that's, you know, it's something that's like a pocket knife. You peel it out and it's not a purpose-built thing. So, Ferrum Forge design, small little flipper that goes and is designed to fit inside a key bar. Now, if I had the longer screws, I could put some keys in it. I could show you, but not just the lack of the longer screws. There's two other things at play, and they kind of play off each other. One is give a shit and effort. Because for this video, I had no intention of doing it, so I really didn't have the give a shit required to put out the effort to find a longer screw and actually put keys in it. But this is the key bar flipper that goes inside these two frames of the key bar. Now, if you had the longer screws, you could put keys along the side of this, and it is a full frame lock. It's frame lock. Now, this is steel. But the cool thing is your pivot point here and then your standoff here have got holes clear through them so that you can put this in a key bar. Now, these were designed by Elliot, and I kind of liked them. If they hit this flat spot, it could be tossed in a pocket. This could be tossed in the pocket as like a traditional pocket knife that's a flipper, because they're nice and thin. But they weren't designed for that. Like I said, they were designed for inside a key bar. So these were done in S35VN. They were done by We. So these are steel scales, steel handles. And once you put it inside a key bar, it's almost a liner lock. But it's just one of those cool things that gets done that people miss every once in a while. And I mean, it's just a simple little thing. Now these, here's the thing though, these run on a IKBS. This little knife that goes inside a key bar, I mean, is a flipper running on IKBS in S35VN steel, and these weren't that expensive. Designed by a well-known maker. So, I do believe that the only place you can get these, and if I'm wrong, you can correct me in the comments, but I think the only place you can get these is over at Nowpack. So, these are nice little knives. But the problem with them for me is I'm not a key bar kind of guy. So, any of you guys that are key bar guys, these are pretty nice, and they're nice and thin so that they're really slicey. The edge profile behind the edge is really thin and nice for cutting tasks. And then, like I said, it's pretty easy to get it all back together. You just put this in and put this one in, and you just put a screw through it, and oops, dropped it. So, I mean, pretty simplistic. Like I said, see, it just slides through there. So pretty simplistic, but it's actually, it's one of those things that nobody really had done before, and then, you know, it just wound up being one of those things that kind of just happened. So, well, guys, this isn't going to be a long video. That's all it was. I just kind of wanted to show you guys KB flipper, key bar flipper, and I will get this put back together so I can take it back up and put it on the desk at Elliot's shop, because that's where I borrowed it from. But like I said, looks cooler once it's inside a key bar. And if you have a unique key bar, you can have a pretty fancy. There's some unique designed key bars out there. This is an EOS. There's been some controversy on Instagram about EOS and not meeting commitments and providing things, but this one came out pretty nice. I like the design of it. So, yep. I just wanted to make sure I threw a video. I hadn't gotten anything. I've got some other stuff in. I have a Curtis Custom. I was given a Buccaneer, the Buck, that I was messing around and refinished while I was working on some of Mr. Dwayne Smotherman's knives. So there's some other videos coming. That was just gonna be a quick one. It's just something that I wanted to show. So we'll probably do a review because of this as well, because this model is different than the one you saw in my video about it, because that one was a prototype. So there have been some changes on this since I showed that. So we may revisit this. It is so thin, and so it cuts so well because it's got a very thin edge profile, and I like it. It's pretty cool. I had no intention of getting one of these. I hadn't bought one. I did a favor for a friend. I was doing a few things, and he just told me, well, here you go. I got 2 of them, so this one's yours now. And so stay tuned on my Instagram, because I am going to be doing some refinishes on this here and there, because it looks really nice if you get the right finish on it. So, all right, guys, that's it. Short video. The wife and kid are on their way back. I've had a busy day today. I refinished 3 knives, if you count this one. So it's good to have the wife and kid back, but expect a family video probably pretty soon, because I've been shooting little stuff here and there. Today was my daughter's first day of middle school. So, as always, guys, if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like my videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs down, but let me know what it is you don't like, but don't be a jerk in the comments about it. So, what else was I going to say? I have a video that's going to come up that I'm going to talk about some stuff. I don't want to give any heads up on it. So anyway, that's it, guys. You guys take it easy. I'm going to go finish getting some stuff ready for supper and help the wife so that when they get here, she doesn't have much work to do. You guys take it easy, and I'll talk to you next time.